Alright, this will be the elevator at the parking garage for I think the Shreveport, Louisiana Boardwalk here in Shreveport, Louisiana. Someone called it. I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing good.
That's good.
No more boardwalk.
I see.
Don't be nothing out here. Nothing. No more stores out here. Nothing.
Oh, okay. That's my first time in Shreveport.
Oh,
so.
really?
Yeah.
It used to be packed out here. I mean, you just couldn't even walk out here.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. It got bad. Now, this church right here, you're supposed to be buying the boardwalk. I don't know if they're going to buy the boardwalk and have it looking like something or what, but don't be nobody out here.
Oh, okay. I thought it was like something you'd see in like Florida or something.
Out here. No, all this boardwalk.
I see. Get off out, G. We're gonna get off here at G. We're gonna end the video here.